AnklesGod, you know me, man. Anything's possible. It's been 5 months. I had to come back with some crazy shit, so I gotta bring it to y'all. Let's get to it.
Open up, we gon' leave a nigga, he gon' flow. Call it pretty wise, he gon' flow. I'm like, what? Grab a bowl, told that bitch, ride a bowl. I told that bitch, ride a bowl. I told that bitch, ride a bowl.
Oh, the blue. Come in, put in the back, he about to rap. We gotta go.
Call me Superman, I stay with my steel. Like what? Minute still. Keep the grip in the back, we gon' peel. We gon' peel, we gon' split. See me all that AK with a switch. Got bananas, none of these clips.
It's your boy AnklesGod, back with another fucking video, right? And that's what I got on. Chill. We about to do Ding Dog. We doing Ding Dog Ditch and Ghillie suits. And it's a little twist on it, nigga. We a little high. We a little jet. We a little sauce.
You go to Bible, big AnklesGod shit, get your ankle snatched, bitch. What you talking about?
You gotta get this shit though. Y'all feel me? In this voice. Shit, nigga. It's gonna be a crazy video, but stay tuned, nigga.
I don't wanna feed
What you doing?
Hey, how you feel?
I'm kind of scared, bro. But I also think I can pull it off. You know what I'm saying? It's your boy Mello. AnklesGod, you know me, man. Anything's possible. It's been 5 months. I had to come back with some crazy shit, so I gotta bring it to y'all. Let's get to it. I'm gonna crash. I swear to God, bro. I'm gonna crash my shit. I'm dead. I swear to God, I'm dead. I swear to God, I'm that nigga. That nigga.
I'm that nigga.
Oh, I thought he about to come back in that bitch. I thought he was about to come back. What we doing, man?
Huh?
What we doing, bro? What you doing? Saw, hold on. Damn, cause I got it by myself. Damn, crazy. What my mama nigga chill? Hold on, what he say? Hold on. What he say? Why you want that tool like that? Why you move like that? In the club 50D, damn. High like that? Why your eyes like that? Cause I put Molly in my lead, yeah. Why you act like that? Why you crack like that? Cause I got it by myself. I don't need no violence. I've been smoking broccoli. They said it's good for my health. Yeah. But bitch from the town. I like my money fast. You moving like a snail. Yeah. All I smoke is out on a paper trail. Can't you tell? I got clientele on my next tail. Damn. On my own, this $1 million, but I ain't got no ringtone, bitch. They gon' get it, hold on. Cause they ain't gonna try to play with you. All I do is win. I hate to lose. Damn. I'm smoking broccoli, county's green. I'm on leave. Damn. Why you keep that tool like that? Why you move like that? I hit the club 50D, damn. How you get so high like that? Why your eyes like that? Cause I feel my lean. Why you act like that? Why you strap like that? Cause I got it by myself. Nigga, I don't need no virus. I've been smoking broccoli. This is good for my health. Why you always in a foreign car? Cause if it ain't foreign, then it's boring. That's a foreign car. I'm chasing trees while you snoring. Call that black, might be yellow, but my favorite color orange. Bitch, don't call my phone no more. I'm on tour about what bitch don't call me. Only two can fit. Fuck a foreign car. Nigga, this a jet. This is not a foreign. Polo to the floor. Fuck that Tom Ford. Nigga, this a rollie for that Michael Kors. I made her moving slowly cause I poured her force. Got her on her knees like Give me love.
Give me a
I
look.
remember putting keys in Baltimore. Why you keep that tool like that? Why you all like that? I hit the club 50 deep. How you get so high like that?
Where we going? We going to tour. Then we going to tour. Come on, bro. We just sitting here. Can we go? Can we go? We going? Can we go? Can we go? We just sit here. Can we go? You can go. Can we go? Yeah. Yo, Dylan, can we go?
Yes, bro.
Open your door, bro.
Woo, my dick is on fire.
Here, take the radio out with you, but don't slam the fucking door. And take your phone.
You niggas is pro. AR in the coma, the scope. 5.56 for the head to.
Throw up the A's. That's what AnklesGod, nigga. You know me, man.
Oh, yeah, man. You know, Lim. Doing this, man. Let's get it. Yeah. Alright.
I'm excited. I ain't gonna lie. I'm a little excited now.
This crib right here on the blue one. You see this blue one?
Ooh, it's real fun. I ain't gonna lie. It's kind of fun.
Ain't no. Wait, which one? Ain't no leads on that shit, nigga.
That's what I'm saying. You going with the...
I'm not gonna come straight to the car. I'm gonna wait. You know what I'm saying? Y'all gotta make sure y'all get their reaction, bro. Make sure the windows is down. You know what I'm saying? Y'all get like a good angle where they don't see the camera though.
Yo, let me know if you do want to get a good reaction.
This is AnklesGod, bro. This is our first take of this shit. It's fucking. I'm jacking. It's like 80 degrees outside, 70 degrees or something like that. Got the phone in the pocket, voice notes, got the mic.
Oh shit.
I'm so scared, but I'm excited at the same time. Fuck. Hopefully, nothing goes wrong in the hood. But I'm still gonna put it in the title. I love y'all though. Let me spread this out a little bit. Push. Alright, we good, right? Y'all fuck with it? Fuck with it? It's good? I got. Fucking something right as fuck. Y'all ain't low. I bet. Yo. Door lock. Fuck. Oh shit.
He right there in the bushes and the trees. Right there. Next to your person, he know this shit. He's running dogs right there. He's going in the trees. He's right there, yeah. He's taking If y'all see him, yo, if y'all can tell me where he's at, $5. I'll catch up you $5 right now. If y'all tell me I can see a toilet, say, yo, I can see this nigga. $5, swear to God. I know you don't got it, but I give $5. Don't cash it out. Come on. He just rolled down. I think he's dead, You all in the tree. How the fuck you supposed to get in the car with this shit? Yeah, you're on your own. That's what. Either you do it again or. What? Oh Huh? Y'all heard it? Yeah, like me. My fucking head came off when I died. My fucking shit came off.
So like, tell me, how was that feeling? Like,
bro, I was just sitting there. I'm like, my heart pumping. I'm looking at the door. I'm looking at y'all. Y'all niggas right in front of me. I'm like, what? I'm in the yellow bushes in a green suit. I'm like, what the fuck going on?
Kids don't do drugs.
No, please don't do drugs. My mouth dry.
Oh my god, isn't that the teacher from the fucking school? Yeah, that's the
That's my stepdad, bro.
That's a damn shame. I wish I could show you guys,
bro.
but you know I can't release.
I love that nigga, bro.
Information.
I can't be there, bro. I'm sorry. You might have to get out the car and like
fuck you,
duck behind.
Alright, fine.
You might have to.
I got you, bro.
If you gotta get that.
That's for you. Yeah, I got you.
But I'm gonna hide in the bush.
I know I got you for you.
Oh my god. Bro, there's people outside.
Well, I got a good angle right here. I'm on my, I got an angle on you. I gotta get out the car good. You bugging? I got a perfect angle. Oh, come on, boy.
Yo, you looking at me weird, bro.
Where?
Up top.
We're here, bro.
Shit, bro.
This is crazy. Who looking?
What the fuck? They like, what's going on to say we on? I don't know, ask how we
What is going on? Yo, I can't. Hold on, chill. It's hot. It's hot.
Blooper? Oh, it's not a blooper. I think he's doing the big time, fellas. He's doing the big time, fellas. Boom! Where you go? $5. $5. Where you go? $5. This is a game for you niggas. Hood trench game. $5. Where he at? He's looking suspicious. Ugly ass. He coming out the door. He's coming out the door, fellas. Blue Under Armour shirt. So confused. We got him. We got one, fellas. We got one. He's looking. He's looking at his left again. He's going. He left. W in the chat. We got a W right here. Let's go. Dumbass boy, get back in the house. Got a W right here. Let's go. Let's go. Wow. Oh, bro. Now the thing is, we don't got no communication with Mel, so maybe I should text him or something and tell him like, go, coast is clear. Went in the crib, didn't know what to do. He looked too, went outside. Dumbass. He's probably stalking too.
Alright, so yo, tell me why. When I was sitting in that bush, right? So tell me I heard everything right, and like I didn't want to move because I would have made noise and shit. And I'm fried, right? So I'm not even thinking. So I had to barrel crawl because they had mad windows and all the windows were mad open. And if I would have got up, they would have seen me. So y'all see that clip, right? That was the end of the window. So I got up and I started running. But yo, I was barrel crawling through the fucking garden soil. Like I was in the soil barrel crawling like I was in the fucking military. This shit was crazy, bro.
So we can't sit here too long. You know how these people is. 911. Honk the horn. Where you going? See, this is why you don't do shit about. Oh shit! Oh, he got cameras. Cameras. Yo, this shit just got mad too.
Oh, hot ass. How you hot? You ain't even outside yet.
Mello, I'm so glad he is. Oh, the blue coming from the back. He about to rap. We gotta go. Bro, the nigga that just came from over there just came all the way and walked over here. He's finna rat.
The Mel ran?
No. Yo, Mel.
Yo,
Where you at, bro?
You ran?
You ran?
yeah.
Alright, we about to get you, bro. Alright. Yeah, it's gonna be hot over here for a minute, I ain't gonna lie.
I'm done.
I kind of panicked in the video. I ain't gonna lie. I'm sorry. I kind of panicked on the video. I try to get the best I can get. But yo, get this video to 35 likes, yo. And I'm gonna come back in the full video. It's just gonna be full Ghillie suit, ding dong, ditch. I ain't gonna lie. It's gonna be somewhere we hide from it. It's gonna be somewhere we hide in the bush. It's gonna be somewhere we fucking just let them see us, like plain in sight. It's gonna be somewhere we just keep coming back, irritating niggas. Yo, so if y'all really want this, bro, if y'all really want me to pop out and do more, I was high, so I panicked and I was tripping. But if y'all really want me to do more, get this shit to 35 likes, word of bro, and I got y'all with a full video of this shit, full video. Yo, anybody waiting us out, yo, drop a like, comment down below, and subscribe, nigga, whatever, bro. Yes, sir.
That's all.
You done? Woo! That nigga say he done, baby. Let's go, nigga. We about to pick you up, nigga. You good, nigga. You good. That's what comes with this shit, bro. You wanted to do it? Don't back up now, nigga. We already pushed the gas. You should never word. That's what come with this shit. You gotta do it like a man. Feel me? You take all that shit. Comes with life, bro.
Like a crash dummy, bro. Come on.
Nah, bro. You good. We let it come scoop you. Ain't shit gonna happen. If the cops say anything, nigga, we got video footage of us saying it way back when we was doing on some friendly shit for the YouTube. So, nigga.
Where's your at, bro? I see you right here.
Where?
Behind y'all to the left.
To the left. Oh, I see you. I see you. Hurry up, nigga. You walking and shit. Somebody you need help, nigga. Get your ass in the V. We home country road. You know what I'm doing? There you go.
Got an ops, they gon' spin